everything is okay, and just give some style for the hash container and class btn. I think for hash btn1, after hovering over box shadow 0 pixel, from right 10 pixel and 0 pixel, and fade is almost 8 pixel, and or no, last fade 20 pixel. The color is 10 pixel, color black. Okay. So you can see it is very deep. Inspect. And select this element, light box shadow code, box shadow 0 10 pixel, 0 pixel, and 20 pixel, black, and this one is for size 5 pixel, keep size small or 0. So 10 pixel, 0 pixel, 20 pixel and black. 10 pixel, 0 pixel, 20 pixel and 0 pixel and black. Copy this one, give it negative 10 pixel, save and save. Okay, problem, we need to change this btn to save and refresh. Fine. So everything is done in style. Now come to index and call some functions. Before calling, just use write script code, script, and write your variable var index equal to 0, and write a function show image, and write var x equals to document dot get elements, document dot get elements by class name, by get elements by class name. Write the name of the class name is slides. So after getting this, just alert x dot length, so you will get all the classes, all the image tag which has classes slides. It will just count because of length properties, will count and alert it. So save this and call the function show image. So you can see 5 images we have. Just drag one as an argument and save n here. Declare a variable I for the looping, and for loop I equals to 0, I less than x dot length, so length, and I plus plus. Because of I'm selecting each of class has slide dot style dot display equals to none, so all of them will disappear because of this. So you can see all of them disappear. Now if n means 1 greater than x dot length, if n is greater than x dot length, means if it is more than 5, we have 5 images. If it is more than 5, then we just set index for each image equals to 1, because it is last, so we'll move to first one. Copy this, and if n is less than 1, if someone moving back, and moving back means decreasing 1 for each image, so it will be negative. So if it is negative, so we just need to change it to x dot length, means last. After for loop x, index is simply, instead of 0 write it 1, index minus 1 dot style dot display equals to block. So what will happen? We are calling show image with 1, and if it is 1 and n will receive 1 greater than 5, no, 1 less than 1, no, loop will run and all the images will disappear, and finally index is 1 minus 1 0, so the very first image will be blocked and rest of them will be display simply none. So save it, and the first image is this Taj Mahal. You can see in the code, yeah. So all the code is done here in the JavaScript. Just we need to do plus and minus. So on click equals to plus index, sorry, this one is for the previous image, so it will be -1. Copy and paste it here, and it will be +1 for the next image. Save. And here is a function, we need to execute this function plus index, and it will be plus index will be I n whatever, simply index equals to index whatever the index, just +1, and call the show image function. Show image, copy and paste it here with an argument index. So simply when someone click on this plus index 1, then this function will call and it will receive 1. Index is now 1, so 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and show image will call with an index 2, and this show image will receive n equals to 2. This 2 is never greater than this initially never greater than this x dot length and never less than this 1. So simply for loop will execute and all the images will disappear, and after that whatever the index, if it is 2, then 2 minus 1 1. So first image index is starting from 0, so the second image will be display block. And similarly if you click once more, again it is calling. Just click okay, it is working, and click here. What is it going? Previous, back. So guys, if you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next part we will work on auto slide. So in our previous in our example I have shown you the auto moving, so we will create one more function for in the same image, in the same slideshow, and in that time it will move, it will execute automatically